Freedom, everybody of the world, is the ultimate desire. But conventionally, we have the misunderstanding about the freedom. Traditionally, we feel freedom means free from, but actually, by free from practice, we never can be a free. Free from, that means the do as I like. This is the very subjective viewpoint. Subjective viewpoint, in a sense, one kind of self-centered viewpoint. Self-centered viewpoint generally don't give us freedom because it makes of every moment the conflict situation. If we observe our realities, then we can understand. The freedom word itself is a political and social word. This word started with the political movements. The many countries in this world now because of this freedom movement. So before First World War, the definition of the freedom was only social terms and political terms. Now it becomes the psychological and philosophical terms. Personally, I feel freedom means should be the free towards, not free dominion or free from. If free towards, then we become responsible. When we accomplished our responsibilities in our personal life, in our family life, in our societal life, then we feel joy, free in our mind. Actually, our motivation should be a reverse, personal life case. If we feel suffering, for example, mind and body disunity, we cannot escape. If we escape, then we die. In our family case, we live with our husband and wife and children. Husband and wife generally come from the different family, different background, even different sex and different viewpoint. So in our daily life, every moment we have the different opinion and different practices. When we face conflict, sometimes if we want to escape, then it will make breakdown our family. And that means divorce. Divorce actually it is not the way freedom. But many people is try to look. This is the freedom. Is the purpose of the freedom is a peace. But if divorce, it is not peace. It becomes suffering. So freedoms means do as like, free from this concept fail in family case, in personal case, in societal case also. If government, for example, authority and citizens, if cannot understand each others, cannot meet the common purposes, so in this case also we cannot escape our government and our people. So if we cannot accomplish or complete properly our responsibilities, we always feel suffering and something burden, and we cannot be free. So to be a free persons, the condition is to be a responsible persons and accomplishment of responsibilities. Without accomplishment of responsibilities, even we have money, even we have power, even we have educations, we cannot be free. So to be a free persons and to enjoy the freedoms, we must need to be accomplished our responsibilities in our personal life, in our family life, in our societal life. There is no way to escape this reality. Human being is an ethical being, so they can judge. Without judgment, we cannot be really responsible. To accomplish our personal responsibilities, we should not destroy others' person freedom. We must first take care others' freedoms. If we can make a freedom for others, we also will be automatically free persons. by destroying others' freedoms, we never can be free, because it is the linked with our realities directly or indirectly. So we must need to be a responsible